power to the people and eliminate the evil. So if you agree with these, you can come. Welcome to Wakanda. Go until you fucked up. Shit, you don't get a passport. It doesn't really matter. Praise God, hallelujah. Welcome to Wakanda.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Thanks for joining back in the video, man. You see the title, man. You see the thumbnail, you know. So today, you know, I just decided to, do a quick, let me show the engine. To show you how to clean the engine bay. Now, this is not gonna be like a fully detailed, professional-looking thing. You know, this is just like a quick, quick wash. You know, so I'm at a local kind of DIY wash yourself car wash kind of thing. So yeah, it's pretty easy. You know, the only thing you're gonna need, like I said, oh well, I haven't said, the only thing that you need is you're gonna get some like a degreaser or like a general cleaner. I think I've seen online people use Simple Grain. That seems to be the most common one, but I already had this at home. I didn't want to buy a new one, so this should work. So you're gonna need this. You also want to get like a rag, a towel, or anything like that. You know, this one would call it like fiber or whatever. But yeah, just get like a little rag or anything like that. So you're gonna need this rag, and obviously you're gonna need some water. You know, like you don't need high, you just need some low pressure. You know, but I'll show you the ones I'm working with. And yeah, you're gonna need a brush also. So just like a little brush. But anyways, without further ado, man, let's get this started. It's a car wash. Obviously you gotta pop the roof first. It's kind of raining. See, it's wet, but obviously I'm doing the engine bay. So this is what it looks like. It's not that bad, but could be better. So obviously you want to take the cover out. Just gonna put it on the side. Put it on the floor. Should be fine. Yeah, man. It's not looking too bad. You know what I'm saying? Well, anyway, so yeah, this is the engine bay. It's what mine looks like. Obviously I have a cold air intake, and I'll show you what to do with that. But so this is the kind of water thing we got here. I haven't paid for it yet, so I gotta pay first before I squeeze it in. And this is the brush to have. You just want to get some. This one's a little bit hard, but you want to get some soft. You don't want anything too crazy. First thing you want to do, you want to like block off anything you don't want water to get to. So if you have a cold air intake or any kind of open air intake, you want to close this up. You obviously don't want it to get to it, so your engine doesn't suck up water. And that's about the only thing you need to close it. I mean, if you have anything that you just don't feel comfortable getting water on, you should probably close that. But every other thing should be fine. I have people say close the alternator also, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna spray it light and try not to get too much water on it. But yeah, man, let's get this started. I just put a towel over my air filter. I brought a little bit of water from my house, and I'm just gonna spray this on the end. You just want to spray it a little bit, and after you spray, you'll put your whatever washing fluid you got. Like I said, I'm using this, but you don't have to get this one. You can get Simple Green or any like all poppers. If you don't have any kind of like oil licks or anything, you don't need to get a degreaser. But you can see I got some. I think there used to be an oil lick here or so that's why I'm using a degreaser. Most likely you probably have to use a degreaser anyway. So yeah, I'm just gonna spray this. I don't have a mount or anything, so I have to look for one good. Ooh. So I just drove it. That's why it's smoking. So obviously the water's like getting on the headers. That's why it's like hear that smoking sound. But yeah, I'm just spraying it, something light, a little bit. I don't want to go too crazy. Good. Like I said, it wasn't smoking because that's how I just drove it. So the manifolds are still pretty hot, and obviously when the water gets on it, it smokes. So now I'm going to spray the degreaser. Yeah. Oh damn! It's not spraying the way I wanted it to spray. It's more like a pointy. Oh, okay. That's what I want. That's what I was looking for. All right. So just spray it on the engine. You know what I'm saying? Just go around. Something light. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to focus too much on one side. You just spray it all around. I could clean the fluid also, but I'm not gonna do that. Like I said, this is not supposed to like a professional. It's just quick wash. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm just trying to spray everything. You can see I'm also trying to avoid the alternator down there, so I'm not gonna be spraying that side because obviously I don't want to get it on the alternator. I just want to spray it on the engine. Just try to get it all around. I'm spraying this side a lot because there was like some oil with there. So, yeah, spray it around. I'm mainly just trying to get the engine, not really like the parts or anything. So all right, that should be good. I have to go crazy on it, And then you're not gonna need to send it more, so I'm just gonna put it back in the car. And okay, I'm gonna find a place to put my phone. just, you know, drying it off. So just try to get everything as good as possible. Down here, there's usually like some sitting water, so you want to make sure you like you soak everything out. I can see it's still kind of dirty, but it's fine. Should be good. This ain't a show car or anything like that, so I'm trying to be fully detailed with it. You know what I'm saying? Should have brought another rag actually. I have one. So. Yeah, whatever you can dry off, you know, it's probably just gonna dry off on its own, so it's not a big deal. But, you know, you want to try to get off as much as you can. All right, man. You know, these things are actually designed to take water, so you know, you shouldn't don't be scared or anything. You know, you're not gonna break anything. All that way. I didn't try that off, so this one's already looking good. Yeah, I told you. Looking better. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's not, still not like shining or anything, but at this point you can go ahead and spray it down or whatever if you want to, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. Make sure it's good. There's still a little bit of water, but so you probably have to get to everything, but try to do as much as you can. So whatever's in there is probably just gonna dry from the heat of the engine, so it's not a big deal. We're gonna crank this thing up, man. Controls in the back. Yeah, that's pretty much how to, you know, clean your engine bay. Like I said, it was just a quick, you know, it's not a fully detailed, you know, but you know, it does look better than before, so it should be fine. Whatever is in there is just gonna dry up from the heat of the engine, so but just try to get off as much out as possible. And yeah, that's all I got. Thanks for watching the video. I said I'm not a, you know, I'm this first time doing this, so I'm not a pro or anything like that. So if I did anything wrong, let me know in the comment. You know what I'm saying, but I'm pretty sure it's how you do it because I did a lot of research. I looked around, and she is looking better. But anyways, we got something right here. Yeah. Subscribe, like, and 300 a month.